Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is another video where I'm going to show you how to do something on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. I'm really enjoying my time with this device so far, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to take screenshots on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. So, first up, you need to obviously unlock your phone. Now we're going to use the combination of buttons on the side of the device. Specifically in this case we're going to use volume down, which is there, and the power button, which is there. So to do that I'm going to just press them at the same time. It doesn't need to be a long press, and it takes a screenshot, which is great. You can then use the Xiaomi editor to crop your screenshot like that, or to mark it up with, say, notes and scribbles. There's lots of different options here for you to explore, but the key thing is use that volume down and power button combination of buttons to physically trigger the screenshot. There is also another cool feature which is available on many smartphones nowadays, but which Xiaomi's HyperOS does a good job with, which is scrolling screenshots. So you do the same thing in an app where you can scroll up and down. In this case I'm using the Threads app on my Xiaomi 17T Pro. I'm going to take the screenshot, and then you have the scroll button. This means that you can then scroll the endpoint by scrolling up and down and saying done, the endpoint of it. So in this case I have a much longer screenshot of the Threads app and the scrollable page, which is something you can do. You can then crop it and do all the other editing in the app if you need to. Anyway, that was the key ways to take screenshots and scrolling screenshots on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Any similar devices released at the same time from Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco will give you the option to do the same thing. It's all down to HyperOS, the operating system running on the devices. As usual, if you have any issues, if you have any questions, if you'd like to tell me how I'm doing it wrong, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.